Morning student, in this video I will tell you what are the topics you need to focus because your exams are near. Some of the exams have started like IIT and MSET is slated to be from 4th of August. NEET is slated for 12th September and before that there will be BITSET also. So what are the topics that you need to focus? So I'm going to discuss those things. So prepare Bohr's model from atomic structure topic, particularly the energy, the radius and velocity. These three are very important, particularly the energy one. And do prepare hydrogen spectrum. Do prepare hydrogen spectrum. 1 by lambda is equal to nu bar equal to rz square 1 by n1 minus 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Number of spectral lines also is important. Next topic which you need to do and prepare is photoelectric effect, the famous Einstein equation. H nu minus H nu naught equal to half mv square. Energy minus work function is kinetic energy. Then you in periodic table you can do group period determination and you can also focus on ionization enthalpy, electronegativity and electron gain enthalpy. So you have to know the trends in groups and period, how it varies. From chemical bonding, you need to prepare the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, the VVT, hybridization, what are the shapes of the molecule, the bond angle, the bond parameters, the bond order. In molecular orbital theory, you need to focus on bond order. Like the bond order of nitrogen was asked in 2014 MSET, it is 3. Bond order of O2 is 2, O2 is paramagnetic, H2 is paramagnetic, B2 is paramagnetic, despite having even number of electrons, so keep this in mind. You have to know about the Kp-Kc relationship. Kp is equal to Kc into RT to the power delta n, where delta n is the number of moles of gaseous product minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. In thermodynamics you need to prepare like enthalpy change, like the relationship between enthalpy and internal energy, and the famous Gibbs energy equation, change in Gibbs energy equal to change in enthalpy minus T change in entropy. So delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. You have to know what are the conditions for spontaneity. Okay, next is the action of heat on oxides, carbonates. So some chemical reaction will be given to you and they will be asking what will be the action of heat, what will be the byproduct, what will be the product, etc. In organic chemistry you can prepare the UPAC name. Based on that they can give you the name and they can ask you the structure, or they can give you the structure and they can ask you to name the compound. In organic they can also ask you name reactions, the conversions. They will give you the roadmap, like this react with this to give A react with this to give B react with this to give C, identify A, B, C, or identify C, or they will give at the top the reagent which is used. So you have to write, they will give you the reactant and product and they will ask you the reagent which will be formed. Acidic and basic strength is very important topic. So you have to remember the Ka value, pK value. Lower the pK, stronger is the acid. Lower is the pKb, stronger is the base. How the basic strength you can find out in case of amines, aromatic, aliphatic. Okay, in aqueous phase, in gaseous phase, what are the stabilities of carbocation, carbanion, free radicals. Okay, then the different test of alcohol, like alcohol test are Lucas reagents, the Victor Mayer test, the test with copper 573 Kelvin. Okay, so these are the important topics from organic reactions you have to master. You have to know the intermediate, like Riemann-T1 reaction happens through dichlorocarbene. So name reactions you have to master. You can see the name reaction video in my channel also. There are lots of organic videos also. From D block they can ask you the common oxidation state, whether they are reoxidizing agent, reducing agent, the number of unpaired electrons, what is the spin only magnetic moment, like root under n plus 2 Bohr magneton. So based on that question can be asked. They can ask you the color of the different ions. Okay, they can ask you degree transition. From crystal field theory they can ask you the hybridization shape. Okay, whether they are inner orbital complex or outer orbital CFT they can ask you. They can ask you the UPAC name. They can ask you the isomerism, whether these are ionization isomers or these are linkage isomers. Next, you have to remember from solution chapter molarity, molality, normality, colligative properties. Like colligative properties are the properties of solution which depends on number of solute particles. There are 4 different types of colligative properties, like relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, depression of freezing point, and osmotic pressure. You have to know about the Van 't Hoff factor a little bit. You must be thinking that Van 't Hoff factor has been deleted, but the question related to that will definitely be there in competitive exam. From solid state, you can do D equal to Z into M by AQ into Na. From the chapter of electrochemistry, you can prepare Faraday's law of electrolysis and Nernst equation. You can also do the Calder's law of independent migration of ions. So these are the topics. If you master maximum question, you will be able to do it. Inorganic requires learning and practicing the MCQs, learning the reactions, the important steps, the catalyst, the temperature and pressure conditions. From noble gases, you can expect one question like the xenon compounds with fluorine, xenon compounds with oxygen. What is the number of bond pair, the lone pair, what is the shape of the molecule? Like ICl is linear, ClF3 is T-shaped, BRF5 is square pyramidal, XCF6 is distorted octahedral, XCF4 is square planar. So these are the compounds that are likely to appear in your entrance exam. So focus your energy towards doing all these things in student. Don't waste your time. These are crucial times for your exam, and I hope you all are giving your best. So believe in yourself, start working hard, and everything will fall in place. Don't think about what rank, what college. It's the time to revise, maximum time. As I have told in my live session also, that half an hour, 15 to half an hour you do inorganic preparation daily, 10 to 15 reactions of organic. Physical you do 10, 20 good problems. From previous year also you can do. Keep revising everything. Believe in yourself, have confidence, eat properly, be safe. And all the very best from Sandeep sir. So thank you student for watching this video. This must have added some value to you. All the best. Thank you.